Variable lists can be used to refer to a set of variables. This can simplify your Stata code. Let's follow me into a Stata do file. We start by changing the directory, and then we use the use command and the clear option and open our dataset. As you can see, we have a large number of variables, and it is quite common that you might use maybe 10 or more variables in a table. I use the keyword global followed by the name of the list. I just use var_list, and then I just list all the variables I would like to use in my descriptive statistics. This will define var list, which I can work with throughout the script. Now in my tabstat command, I refer to the var list using the $sign. Then I specify the statistics. I want to have the mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum. I change the format to a fixed format with 3 decimal places. And then I can also flip the display, whether I would like to have statistics in columns or rows. And as you can see, we now have our list of variables. We have a nice table which we can export into Excel or Word, which I cover in other videos. I see you next time.